Good afternoon. Today we have to discuss about SQL statements. In SQL statements, we have discussed about the topic operators. There are three types of operators in SQL. They are arithmetic operator, and second one is comparison operator, and third one is logical operator. First we have to discuss about arithmetic operator. Arithmetic operator contains 5 types of operators. They are addition, arithmetic operator. It contains 5 types of operators: addition, subtraction, multiplication, division and modulus. By using these arithmetic operators, we can solve the tables. First we have to use these arithmetic operators. We can create a table. For that, we can create the database. Create database. Database name Anusha like. Use database. First we have to create the table. Create table. Table name. I give teacher. Here we have to give some ID. It is an integer type, so we can give int. Name. It is an string type, so we can give it is varchar. We can give size for it like salary. Integer type. This is also bonus. This is also integer type, and tax. First we can give this, create a table. We have to show that this table is created or not. We can use describe. Describe table name teacher. It will shows the table how it will be created, and then we can insert the values into the table. We can use insert into table name teacher values. First we will give ID 10, name like Sangavi, and salary 10,000, bonus 5,000 and tax 100, like this. We can insert many number of for table creation. Values 20, $200, like this. We have to show these table values. We can select. We have to use select. Select star from teacher. All the columns will be displayed like this. ID, name, salary, bonus, tax. Here first 10, Sangavi, 10,000, 5,000 and 100. Next 20, Sam, 20,000, 1,000, 200. By using this select star from teacher, we can show all the columns in the table. We can use arithmetic operators by using for this table. Select name comma salary plus bonus as total salary from teacher. But when we use this Select name salary plus bonus as total salary from teacher. Here another column will be created. This is virtual column. When we use as here virtual another column will be created for total salary. We can use the addition operator. The total salary plus 10,000 plus bonus 10,000 5,000 15,000 will be here formed. It is a virtual column. When we use as here virtual column will be created. In this way we can use all the operators in SQL. Salary minus bonus as total salary from teacher. Select name comma salary multiplication bonus as total salary from teacher. Select. In this way we can use all the operators. Modulus bonus as total salary from teacher. In this way we can use all the operators of SQL in our database. We can get here outputs all this. If you like this video, please share and subscribe SP Global Solutions.